Legends of Learning presents the Scrambled Inequalities game. This is a math game that makes learning about writing inequalities fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, our database of inequalities has been corrupted. Join the robot var and help us find and reassemble the scrambled inequalities. Can you explore all 5 of the 3D worlds and help us restore our database? Welcome to Scrambled Inequalities. Our database of inequalities have been corrupted, and it is your mission to help put the pieces back together. Your friend var will help you search the system for the missing inequality pieces. Use the arrow keys, or the W, A, S, and D keys for movement, and the space bar to jump. Follow the compass arrow so you can find all the missing pieces. When you have found all the missing puzzle pieces, you will be instructed to answer the math word problem. Use the mouse to drag and drop the correct puzzle pieces into the spaces provided to answer the question. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Let's move on to the next
Use your
level.
knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.